must be a reason why we need to borrow another 3 trillion shillings on top of 6.1 trillion. Members of the Senate, what is your GDP today? Your GDP is at 10 trillion shillings. 9.8, and now we want to extend the ceiling to 9. 100%. What sort of a country does that? Now, the question that we have addressed here, how much is the budget gap? My dear colleagues, the budget gap for this financial year is 635 billion. The budget gap for the next financial year, according to the BPS, is 584.6 billion. For the following year, the budget gap is 586.8 billion, making a total of 1.2 trillion. I want you to read the report of Parliamentary Budget Office that they presented also to the National Assembly, suggesting that the debt ceiling should be at maximum of 7.5 trillion. What are we saying in terms of the minority? This is not a bill. This is not a motion. This is a gazette notice. A gazette notice that can be withdrawn tomorrow. A gazette notice that can be republished. Why are we making it look like that the country is in dire straits, as if we fail, tomorrow it will collapse? It's a lie. The country is looking up to you. In fact, in a recent article, and although we don't quote newspapers, Mbadi says Parliament blamed for debt burden, that we have given Treasury so much leeway to borrow without imposing conditions. Mr. Speaker, this is the time to impose conditions